The world of our customers has one thing in common: prominence in productivity, know-how and technology. It is only with state-of-the-art machinery that they can meet the technical challenges of today. Future plans and individual projects need a strong and competent partner. Weingärtner. We increase productivity. It is here that high-precision machine tools are produced, together with high-performance machinery facilities for a variety of machining operations. Weingärtner stands for customized implementation, from the initial concept to the finished product, uncompromisingly in the highest quality. From the very start, our specialists develop optimal solutions for any given specific assignment. Our goal: high efficiency, lower processing time, highest precision. Developments in the digital or virtual world have led to the performance of modern facilities being further optimized, until the virtual world finally becomes reality. Decades of experience, know-how and constant enhancements are firmly in place to meet the demands of the industry and confirm our leading position in the global market. Weingärtner delivers perfect results through efficient machining processes combined with individual CAD/CAM software solutions, and knows no boundaries when it comes to component dimensions and weights. Developed and built by our specialists for a successful future. With state-of-the-art machinery, Weingärtner guarantees the best possible solutions in all areas of job order production. We stand for high-level production, even in the most complex cases. Communication, information, together with constant enhancements, provide the basis for our and your success. International facility locations provide optimized service and support. Tomorrow's technology helps our customers meet the increasingly complex demands of the international market. With products made in Austria, made in Europe, made for the world by Weingärtner. We increase productivity.